Alright, so Nexdigitron is going to launch a new dash camera in the upcoming week, and that is a much awaited update to its Ace lineup. And the updated dash cam is called as the Nexdigitron Ace 2. It has a pretty unique design and also gets a mini display, and there are some really cool features for this budget dash cam, and I'm already working on a review video of this, so you'll be getting to watch the review video of the Ace 2 dash cam first time on YouTube only on Travel Tech. And also a good news for all my viewers, I'll be giving away one lucky winner this Ace 2 dashcam for free, and I'm already conducting a free giveaway contest for that as well. So only 2 more videos left in that contest, and the winner of that contest is going to get a newly launched Nexdigitron Ace 2 dashcam, and the top 5 winners of the contest will get a 10% special discount coupon in order to purchase the Ace 2 dashcam as well. So you can apply the coupon code, get a straight up 10% discount and buy this camera for yourself. This coupon code will be specially made for you and nobody else will be getting it directly at launch. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that comment button and get yourself the Nexdigitron Ace 2 dashcam. So Nexdigitron has really improved the quality of its products, and based on my first impressions, the Ace 2 also turns out to be a very good dashcam in terms of its build quality and in terms of its video quality, along with the many other features that this camera comes under in. Also, a good thing is that this camera comes at a price of about 5,000 rupees, so it's under the budget segment and is approachable and is reachable to most of the consumers or users. So make sure you are subscribed to Travel Tech so that you do not miss that super cool, amazing first time on YouTube review video right here on Travel Tech. Also do make sure to like this video and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So I'll be doing one more giveaway contest following to this, and this time it's going to be a bigger prize, so it's going to be a bigger contest. So you need to make sure that you're following my channel, you need to make sure that you're commenting on my videos in order to stand a chance to win bigger and bigger prizes. So this was a sneak peek for the Nexdigitron Ace 2. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.